This is your Coyote Country Tip of the Week, brought to you by Mode 1 Knives. This week, let's talk about what to do with your truck when you're hunting coyotes. I'm assuming everybody has some kind of vehicle they're taking out there when they're looking for stands and getting on stands, whether it's a side-by-side or a truck like we have. You got to do something with that truck. You can't just leave it in the wide open. If coyotes see your vehicle, they're going to get spooked, either start barking at you or just take off the other direction. You're never going to call them in. You've got to do something with your vehicle. So ideally, you want to hide it behind a hill, a knob, or something, earth-made type deal, some kind of earth mound. That is the best. It does a couple things. One, it obviously hides the truck, and two, having it behind some kind of hill or dirt mound actually cuts down the noise of you getting in and out of your truck and dealing with everything while you're getting set up to walk out there. Another thing you can do, it's not as effective, is find really tall brush. You can park behind trees sometimes. So depending on what type of area that you're in and what you can hide your truck behind will kind of determine how far you should probably go away from your truck, how far you should walk from your truck before you sit down and start calling. In general, I would say if your truck is very well hidden and you're behind a big hill, your noise is concealed the best you can, you don't need to go very far, just over the hill. Let's say your truck is in some brush or behind a tree. You may need to go 400, 500, 600 yards away from that just to keep that truck from being visible to a coyote that's coming in. They may not see it if it's that far away, or they may not actually care if they see your truck, but it's so much further away from where they hear that distress sound that they may still come in. And that's your tip of the week.